Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be installing a new spoiler on the C63. Now the car does have the factory spoiler on it, but I don't think it has a enough kick to it. I think it needs to be a little bit bigger. I mean, it's the same style like I said, but it does kick up a decent amount, so it's a lot more noticeable on the car. So since I do have a spoiler on the car, this is going to be a little bit of a project to get off. So I'm going to use a heat gun, and I also got some fishing line that we're going to use to break off all the adhesive. And then if you do have an eraser wheel to get the rest of the adhesive off, that would also help out a lot. And then before I put the new spoiler on, I'm going to go ahead and give the trunk right here a quick polish, and then I'm going to wipe it down with IPA or like an alcohol mixture. So the trick to getting all this adhesive off is this eraser wheel. It's basically just a rubber wheel that you hit with the adhesive and it comes right up. Now this does generate a lot of heat, so you do have to be careful with it, but if you do want one, link will be in the description below and you can pick one up. So when you are ordering these, one wheel should be plenty to do it, but just keep in mind, once you get to this ring, you're going to have to stop using it. So now I'm going to wipe it down with Carbn Eraser, which is an IPA mixture. So there is some pretty deep scratches, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get some compound out, and then I'll get polish after. These pads aren't too bad, these are the Chemical Guys ones, but normally I use Rupes Cut Max.
That's good stuff.
If you guys want a decent starter polisher, this is a really good one. I did have to send my other one back, but Griot's got some amazing customer service and they got a lifetime warranty, so they sent me another one. I need to do a full polish on this car so bad.
Well, you don't have them.
Wiping it down with alcohol. Alright, so we got the 3M adhesive tape onto the spoiler, and we have the trunk wiped down with the alcohol. So now, right after this alcohol dries up, we're gonna go ahead and apply that. So we just got the spoiler put on. This style looks fantastic on these cars. I really love it. If you guys do want to purchase one, I will put a link in the description below so you can pick one of these up. Just make sure when you are buying them, you get the right one for your car. The trunk lid is a little bit different on the coupes versus the sedans. So just make sure that you're paying attention when you are buying them. Make sure you get the right one. But yeah, that is going to do it for this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure you do smash that like button. Subscribe if you're new and hit that post notification bell so you never miss one of our videos.